Good afternoon. Bloody red hot today. We've had Wilt electrician here this morning doing this, so I won't whizzing around with cameras constantly. There's too many men. Customer went electrics off, obviously his computer couldn't work, so he was down here chatting. So, as you've seen, I've been putting the fence up across the back. All the posts are attached to the opposite side of the sleeper and screwed from this side in. And yeah, it's 5 foot after the sleeper. Now, other than this house here and that house there, there's no real window watching. Not that I go window watching myself on a night, on a winter's day, or winter's night, but there's no window watching. It's a bit private, but you can still see the trees over there, especially from, like, obviously further back, the trees and stuff, so you can still see. Only thing I don't like, but this goes into the neighbour's property, is that triangle bit there when you're going to be able to see through there. You know what I mean? But that goes into their property, so you can't do it about it. It's over their line. This is going to get brought up to 6 foot, which is about here, somewhere there. And we're going to change the face as well, so they'll end up with 8 foot pales on that side, just so it looks good front road, basically. And I can put my sign on it, my garden revamp sign. And then, yeah, we're just getting this soil in. I'm going to go for another soil. I'm going to finish doing this. There's not a lot of flags in this patio, it's so small. It's, compared to this one that I'm stood on. And then, last hour, I'm going to be putting a couple of sleepers up there. I'm just going to push it today. But God, it's warm. It's warm. Bottom of my spine's hurting. I think I've twisted a bit. Shouldn't be twisting. But yeah, all good. Tom's gutted. I put sun cream all over him this morning, all over his back and that. And he come round corner. Obviously, we just all stood in front chatting. Come round corner. And he's working in shade. So, what a waste of time that one. But yeah, it's warm. I'll catch you in a bit. Just got home. Yeah, it looks well now. Now that fence, it's weird how we put a fence up, containing area, make it look smaller, feel smaller, whatever, but it actually makes it feel bigger. It's weird how a fence works. But he's happy, the customer. He couldn't visualise it, and then I was putting posts up this morning and he's like, still can't visualise it. And then now he's like, yeah, looks good, looks well good. He's well happy with it. Customer's happy behind, because he didn't want anybody peering over, stuff like that. So, not that our customer would, but maybe when he's got a bit of a barbecue and there's 6 or 7 people, kids might, or whatever, ball constantly going over. But yeah, that's my man flu situation at the minute, is just a little cough. Feel loads better. Not as snotty. Or when I am snotty, that's when I tend to cough a bit, but that's about it. Good news with the little lads football. This weekend is being selected for a charity event for York City. We're playing Man United. Playing them over there. Friday night. Charity event. So it's good. It's good. Got singers on and out lot by the sounds of it. But yeah, I'm glad he's been selected. That's what you get. Left back, left foot. You wanted, aren't you? And I think he's in under 14s. I think he's playing in under 15s. So he's a year up as well, which is good. But yeah, it's Man United and they're playing the foundation. So you've got Man United Academy, Man United Development, which that's what Frank is in, the development of York. And then you've got Man United Foundation. I know we're still saying Man United Foundation. It's still going to be loads of little Ronaldos and Dan James flying everywhere, isn't there? So yeah, I'm pretty chuffed. We'll just have to set off early on Friday, but there's nothing wrong with a Friday early finish, is there? But yes, guys, I will see you 8 o'clock sharp.